everyone, it's Aman and welcome back to my DIY channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video. And if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back, you guys. Also, if you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any of my posts, so that you're notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, you already know that today's video is going to be a little different compared to what sorts of videos you get to see on this channel. Today's video, there's going to be no tutorial, and so I've decided to share this with you guys, what's inside my pencil case. Now, you've probably seen these videos a lot on YouTube, TikTok. It's pretty much all over social media. And also because a lot of you guys were DMing me on Instagram and asking me to make this video. I've never really done this sort of video before on my channel. I've shared what's inside my backpack, so if you haven't checked that out, I'm going to leave the link up here. You can click on the video up there to see what's inside my backpack. It was a back to school special video that I had made. I'm not going to be talking throughout this video because it's just going to be the sound of. I've also recently started to bring my pencil case to work and also my sketchbook. Speaking of sketchbook, if you want to see what I draw on my sketchbook, comment down below and let me know if you want to see that video on this channel. So without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a like. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you want to see on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Also, for those of you who don't know, I also have a vlog channel. So if you haven't checked out my vlog channel, I'm going to leave the link down in the description below and just up here for you guys. So be sure to check out my vlog channel. I'm going to start posting new videos on that channel, so stay tuned. For all my video updates, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post all my video announcements on when I'm posting my next video on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me on Instagram. Also, if you want to see more quick and easy DIY or arts and craft videos, be sure to check out my TikTok account as well. It's called _Amanpreet Matharu. They're the same usernames, just the ones that are below on the screen, so be sure to give me a follow.
Today's video shout out goes to Sukdeep. Shout out to you.
Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. And for those of you who don't know, I also have a Facebook page, also a private Facebook group where I post art challenges. I recently posted a art challenge where I shouldn't enclose that. In order for you to find out what the art challenge is, you have to join the free Facebook group. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below. Be sure to click on the link, join the Facebook group. Once you are accepted, you can join and do the art challenges. I cannot wait to share more art challenges with you guys, and be sure to join to build your self-confidence through art. And I do hope that you liked today's video. If you want to see more videos like these, let me know, comment down below. I would definitely want to share more videos like these. So for those of you who are wondering and are looking at this painting, yes, I made it, and yes, I had followed a tutorial. And for those of you who have missed out the video, be sure to check out the video. I followed a Bob Ross painting tutorial video on YouTube. So if you haven't checked out that video of how I made this beautiful painting with not oil-based paint, water-based paint, be sure to check it out on YouTube. I'm going to leave the link just up here, so be sure to check that out as well. Take care, stay safe, and stay creative. Bye!